Okay, there are two boxes. Let's start with the smaller one. So let's see what's inside. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Ooh.
I'm watching your video.
Stop watching my video.
I'm gonna watch it.
Watch it later on YouTube, baby. For the meantime, let's unbox this. Okay, so let's see what's inside.
Nice.
Exciting, isn't it?
Everyone will
I
watch.
got the Tissot
Everyone
box.
will.
And there's another one. So there are two Tissot watches.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is so cool.
Everyone's watching a video.
Yep, they should watch all my videos and they should subscribe. Guys, subscribe to my videos. I'll be unboxing and reviewing a lot of watches from now on, right?
And what's
Okay.
more boxing?
So this one is PRC 200. Is it? I don't know. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have two watches. Start with this one. Okay guys, so let's try and unbox one of the watches I have. So let's start with this box. It's an original Tissot watch. This classic Tissot watch box. So virtually any watch that you bought or you buy from Tissot will mostly come in this kind of box. I haven't seen any other boxes yet. I've bought several Tissot watches before and they always come with this kind of box. And also have this manuals. The manuals, the history of the company, it's all here, just like a library. Okay, so cool. And of course, let's see the watch. Alright, so this is the, so I'm not sure what's the model, but it should be it's a PRC 200 with a blue bracelet. So specifically bought this because I like the color of the bracelet. So I have another Tissot with the leather, brown leather, the classic one, brown leather bracelet. So I bought this one specifically because of the color of the bracelet, which is blue, and it actually has a nice white dial. So cool. So let's remove the plastic. Oh, so nice, guys. So nice. So nice. You like this watch?
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, it's so nice. Look, it's so cool. So I really like the color of this color combination with the bracelet and the white
There's a
dial.
pillow.
Yeah, there's also a pillow inside. That's is used to protect the watch from inside the box when transporting.
I like the color. That's
Okay, so that's it. Really nice.
push.
Look at the red hand. It really stands out.
Ah.
Very, very nice. Look at that.